Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money to Gcash from your Tonkeeper wallet account. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already downloaded the Tonkeeper wallet app. Once you download it, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the Tonkeeper wallet app, you must sign in with your account. After you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to transfer the money that you have in your Tonkeeper wallet to Gcash, you need to have a receiver. For now, I'm going to use Binance. I'll launch Binance app. Next up, go to Deposit. Now select Deposit Crypto. Over here, you can see the search bar. Tap on it and search for Ton. Here you can see the Ton coin option. Select it. You can choose the network. Over here, you'll get a deposit address. You need to copy this address. Now head back to Tonkeeper wallet app again. Here you can see the send option. Tap on it. It will give you an address or name bar. So just paste the address you just copied. And right below that you can add any comments. After you do this, you can tap on this continue button. Over here, by default it is selected Ton coins. If you are transferring Ton coins to Gcash, then leave it as it is. If you are transferring the money that you have in your Tonkeeper wallet, then select the US dollar. Now enter the amount of money that you want to transfer. You must have sufficient balance in your account. After you enter the amount, you can tap on this continue button and your money will be transferred to Gcash. You can then go to your Binance app and you will receive the Gcash over here. So that's it. That's how you can transfer to Gcash from Tonkeeper wallet app. It's a very simple and easy process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.